Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to delete your Amazon account permanently. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. Click open a web browser first in order to delete your Amazon account permanently. So after you do that, go to the search box and type in delete Amazon account permanently, and you'll be able to see lots of search results in the display. Click on this link that says amazon.com help close your account link, and you'll end up in this page. Scroll all the way down and then click on close your Amazon account link over here. And doing this will take you to the page where you can close your Amazon account, go through the information, what it has to say. If you decide to close your account and proceed with the request, you will not be able to access the following products and services which is associated with your account. Scroll all the way down and tap on this box right here and choose a reason for your account deletion. Click on yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my data. After you do that, click on close my account in order to close your account permanently. Once you do that, your account will be closed and it will be no longer available to you, and it cannot be restored as well. If you decide later that you want to start ordering from Amazon again, you'll need to create a new account. After you're sure you want to close the account, click on Close My Account button at the bottom of the screen, and you'll need to confirm your deletion. In order to close your account for good, you'll receive a confirmation link via email or text message to verify your request to close your account, and this link will expire in 5 days. So you can go ahead and click on the verification link that has been sent to you by Amazon. Let me go open a new tab and click on the link that has been sent to you by Amazon. Now confirm the account closure by clicking on this link right here, and your account for Amazon has been closed. That is how you can easily delete your Amazon account permanently if you no longer want to use it anymore. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.